Yo guys, so we just finished the Ultimate Fizziest Drink Challenge. Yeah, and it was pretty awesome. Make sure you go check out that video. And now we are going to the construction site. Yeah, we're going to this construction site. It's pretty much around the corner. Yo, what everybody? What? So I know you guys are gonna want to visit this place. So I'm gonna put the location on the screen. So 3, 2, 1. Did you see it? I don't know. Did you see it? So guys, we need an excuse. So yeah, let's
Josh, film me. I'm gonna put this over. An excuse, yeah. Because I'm a bad man, obviously.
Oh, flip!
Oh, the balls were open.
Damn it! Oh, that was not intentional at all. That's it. I made it. Now time to go to the top of that massive mountain, and we've also got to find my ball, so it's not blocked. Some footage. See the legs. I'm joking. None of them speed races. Oh. Disgusting. Well done. Okay. Do you want some? Sorry guys, I'm down. I've got the ball. Time to leave because this place is apparently monitored by police. So sweet. See ya.
Woman fishing for the police, but she said we look like 12. Even though I'm not 12. Guys, do you think I'm 12? Comment down below. See ya.
No, Josh is going off. You've already seen me go up.
So yeah, I'm gonna try and go up as well now. See ya in a bit.
I'll get some extra footage because I've already gone in. And be careful. I've already gone in. Well, I can see him. Josh is trying his best to get up, and Bear's there. They're probably going to get arrested because they got caught and cops called. So I'm getting ready to leave, just in case they do come. Or I'm going to throw my phone somewhere to make it look like that. Yeah. So sweet. Hope you guys all enjoyed watching. Please smash a like if you want to see more breaking into construction sites. In one of the previous videos, a rooftop video, make sure you go watch that. I showed you another construction site, even bigger, still with actually being built. Yeah. And if you want to see me break into that, yep, just smash the like button.